This is the second stage in the hacking process. Once the hacker has enough information about his target, he begins the process of scanning, looking for a weakness in the system to launch the attack. Scanning refers to the pre-attack phase, where the hacker scans the network for a specific information about his target. This phase includes the use of dialers, port scanners, network mapping, and vulnerability scanners. These are some of the tools used in hacking. Port scanners are tools used to detect the nature of the service running on the targeted machine, and vulnerability scanners are used to detect the weakness on the targeted machine and potentially detect thousands of vulnerabilities. During this phase, a hacker collects information about his target, like what the type of firewalls, routers, and the operating systems are being used by the victim. So this is all about the scanning process.